Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this error. Let me show you. I recently faced this issue. It called Lint found fatal error while assembling a release target. So this is how the console has described the error. Uh, I'm getting this error while I run my app. So let me show you. So I'm just run my app as normally, and first my app is building. So now I'm getting an error like this. So the error is Lint found fatal errors while assembling a release target. So how you can fix, let me show you how you can fix this error. First, go to your project hierarchy. Usually you are in the Android type Android hierarchy, so you can switch it to project, and then go to the app, and in the build folder you can go to the build folder in your Explorer. Open in Explorer, and in this folder you can find build folder. So this is the folder, this is the build folder, this one. And in this build folder you can find reports folder, and you can find an HTML file. This file will generate when you got an error like this, and you can't find the exact reason to this error in the console, but the reason has described in this HTML file. So open this HTML file, and in this HTML file the error has been described, and you can it shows you where is the location to the error. So it says that in my activity home XML, in the 22nd line I got an error. Error is invalid constraints, no siblings. So usually this error will occur when you are using an ID that doesn't exist in your XML file. So I'm going to my activity XML, activity underscore home XML file. Again, I'm going to my Android hierarchy, and in my layout, activity home, I have two activity home XML files for both portrait and landscape designs. So this is the error. You can see now I have used an ID called bot, but I don't have any component with an ID of bot. So what I'm going to do is, actually I have changed one of my ID to a bot ID to bot add ID. So I'm going to copy this ID and paste it here. Once you get the error, once you see the error, you can get the idea how to fix this. So the tricky thing is that how you can find the error. So this is how you can find the error. You just check it in this HTML file. So I'm going to run this again. All right. Okay, it seems the error has gone, I think. Okay, now it's installing. As you can see, now the error has been fixed. So that's how you can fix this kind of error. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my channel and you will get more tips in the future. Thank you.